Hi, I'm reviewing this porch light with two outlets. This porch light is great because it has two GF5 outlets right here where they can be used, and you can go ahead and close it up. You don't have to worry about getting any water damage, but you can plug in your decorating lighting for your back porch or patio, and it's up high so you don't have to run extension cords. This is a black finish, very well made out of steel. This porch light, it is corrosive resistant, so you don't have to worry about rust. It is waterproof and is great during snowstorms or rainy season. You can see right here we have the light bulb. This is a 60-watt light bulb. This is the max. The light bulb that you need is an E26 base bulb, which you can find at your local hardware. It comes with a lot of you can see here that all the electrical wiring and stuff comes in, so you can just plug it into your regular porch light that's outside. This is your installation bracket. It comes with all the stuff in the instructions. This light, it's motion sensitive, meaning that at dusk or dawn, at dusk it will turn on, and then during downtime it will automatically know that it's daylight. It will not have to use it. You can plug it in and have it ready. You always have the power in here, so you can keep your lights or devices or anything outside plugged in and won't have it any issue. This is great also because it will free up any outlets that you have in your backyard, so you have additional two, and then you can use whatever you have. Overall, I'm extremely happy with this light. Very well built. I'm looking forward to hooking it up to my porch and enjoying it. Overall, I recommend this item. Thank you for watching. Up here, I'm going to go ahead and install this light like you saw. I'm going to swap this light out for that one up there. This is bigger, a lot nicer, and I can always use the plug-in to plug in some of my devices. So right now I got the light installed, so I'm gonna go ahead and wave my arm. So I'm gonna show you how this works real quick. So I got a blender. Just gonna show you because right now it's kind of light out. So this is pretty neat because you can plug in pretty much anything. I got my bullet. I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in. I have power. Alright, got my power, my bullet. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. Set this. Alright, that works pretty good. I'm gonna be looking forward on using this light for parties and just come on chill on my back porch. Thank you for watching.